Tunisia's state-owned power provider has announced a new price increase for natural gas and electricity, ranging between 12.2 and 16% for residential customers and 15% for industrial ones. It's the latest round of energy price increases that came into effect at the beginning of the month, and which authorities say is necessary in order to cope with the price hikes on the international market.
We were forced to raise tariffs due to the repercussions of the global energy crisis and the conflict in Ukraine. There is high demand on gas supply. We call on Tunisians to ration gas and electricity consumption to reduce imports. The prices of oil are very high and the price of gas is related to that of oil. More than 95% of Tunisia's electricity need is produced from natural gas.
The Tunisian Electricity and Gas Company announced that households whose consumption does not exceed 200 kilowatts per month will not be affected by this new increase. These represent 85% of the power provider's customers, or 3.6 million people.
The increase concerns 15% of power customers, or 650,000 low-voltage customers. The more they use electricity, the more they pay. The recent price hike is not intended to affect the poor households.
Energy experts say the recent hike will affect the cost of production for companies and businesses. Habib Hassan, who manages a cafe in downtown Tunis, says businesses are having to incur more costs as the electricity and gas bill continues to escalate in the country.
The prices of all food commodities and products are skyrocketing in the country. As the bills of gas and electricity are soaring, ordinary consumers, small business owners, as well as industrialists will be affected. This situation is unbearable.
The 16% price hike for natural gas will affect 33% of low-pressure customers whose consumption exceeds 30 cubic meters per month. However, customers whose consumption of natural gas is around 30 cubic meters to 60 cubic meters per month are now subject to a new rate. Tunisia's energy trade deficit in the first quarter of 2022 has widened to $633 million, or 87% compared to the same period last year. Analysts say the recent energy price hike is due to the current crisis in Eastern Europe and the depreciation of the Tunisian dinar. The North African state imports oil and gas, and that has left it in a precarious position, with the dinar continuing to lose value against the US dollar. Abdel Shawashi, CGTN, Tunis.